बड़ा तूफान रखते हैं। हथेली पर वतन के वास्ते सब जान रखते हैं। है अलबेला है मस्ताना, बड़ा ये देश क्या कहना। यहाँ के नौजवान नस नस में हिंदुस्तान रखते हैं।
Good morning. I extend a warm welcome to all at 72nd celebration of Republic Day and here on a very special occasion for a democratic country. We are here to celebrate the Republic Day of one of the world's biggest democracy, India.
निशु, क्या तुम्हें पता है हम गणतंत्र दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं?
हाँ ईशानी, क्योंकि आज ही के दिन सन 1950 को भारत सरकार ने भारत का संविधान लागू किया था।
क्या तुम्हें पता है इसके लिए 26 जनवरी का ये दिन क्यों चुना गया?
26 जनवरी को इस दिन के लिए इसलिए चुना गया क्योंकि 1930 में इसी दिन भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस ने भारत को पूर्ण स्वराज घोषित किया था।
गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में तो तुम्हें बहुत ज्ञान है, लेकिन मुझे तो ये देखने और जानने में दिलचस्पी है कि आज के दिन हमारे अंदर कितना जोश और उल्लास भरा है और हमारे सहपाठियों ने आज का दिन और कैसे मनमोहक बनाया है।
So, with a sense of patriotism, let's commence with today's program.
माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
बहत्तरवां गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। बिफोर आई कम टू टुडेज टॉपिक थीम which is democracy, I'll be talking something about what democracy is, which you see from IIT Ropar to the highest of the nation. Let me first tell that where democracy springs from. Democracy springs from meritocracy. Democracy doesn't spring from something which is imposed through generations. It doesn't come for something which is thrown upon you. It comes from the people who have got the right kind of ability, takes up the central stage and executes the will of the people. That's what democracy is all about. And I'm very happy to say, if in India there is one organization which always upholds meritocracy, that is the IIT system. It is a concept, it's a method, and also it's an ever evolving method. And this method is at the soul which India has adopted. Having said all these, the features of democracy, democracy will never flourish in a country if it is only in the political organizations. Democracy has to be in every organization. If you don't have democracy at the ground level, in the panchayat, in running of an institution, like in IITs, if we don't have democracy here, only having democracy in New Delhi will not make the country democratic. And that's what, in last couple of years that I am here at IIT Ropar, we have tried to do a democracy coming from the bottom. I was looking at, we had 190 plus deans meetings, 50 plus meetings of the heads of the department, 30 plus meetings of the heads of the administrative sections. We had 89 construction, the project management groups meeting. We had hundreds and hundreds of meetings with individual groups. What did it do? It did one thing. It made IIT Ropar. 1.5 years back, we were standing with knee-deep water here. Nobody talked of dissent at that point of time. After the water receded, these paths were filled with silt, 2 inches of silt. Whole administration, they were sitting here. There was no power in the campus. Within 8 days, IIT Ropar bounced back. That's what is the strength of democracy. To break that front wall, to let the water go. That is democracy. Those are the people who talked to me, who debated with me, who differed with me. But when the trouble came, they stood together. They thought of nothing else but the institution. When Corona crisis hit, we came together with small number of people. What our medical people did, what our security men did, what our housekeeping staff did, amazing. You cannot think about that. That this culture of discussing, debating, yet doing things together has happened. Who has made this campus? All of us. Who has got so much of reputation? Every day people are talking about IIT Ropar. Who has made it? Each one of you. Because each one of you participated in the growth of that. IIT Ropar has put emphasis on research. What has research been? You learn from the past, but you do something which does not exist. You do bring out new things, new concepts, new theories, new methods, new products. He looks at this country today. Similarly, IIT Ropar has become an institute to which every institution in this region looks forward towards IIT Ropar. But then, this should not be the destination. The destination should be that every institution of this country looks forward for this institution. In this Republic Day occasion, which will be the 6th and the last one for me, but I know very well, I am leaving behind wonderful people who will build this institution, and from a distance I'll be able to see that IIT Ropar is becoming not the best institution of this country, but one of the top institutions of the world. Thank you very much.
बहत्तरवें गणतंत्र दिवस पर आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद।